In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Hungry Heart by the boss, Bruce Springsteen. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
All right. This one goes out to Anthony J. He's kind enough to leave a comment, and he actually made a request for this song, which is Hungry Heart by Bruce Springsteen. So Anthony J., you're going to be our winner today. This is the Wednesday winner, and you're going to get unlimited access to all my stuff, all my digital lessons and stuff. So I hope you enjoy that. And I know you're a Bruce fan, obviously. You probably know maybe that I was with Clarence for almost 20 years, and I had the good fortune to play with the boss many times. So this one is Capo first fret, so we're going to make it easy, right? The basic song is basically four chords, and then we have a little bridge, a little organ solo that I'll show you separately. So let's get right to it. So it's C, A minor, D minor 7th, G. My buddy Jason said, "Is that Bruce singing?" I was like, "That's a younger Bruce." His voice, like mine, has dropped quite a bit since then.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
So the verse is almost like a 50s C to A minor, D minor 7 to G. It's got that great E string rhythm. And the verse is the same as the chorus, same chords, and it just gets bigger, you know, you get like the background vocals. So let's talk about that bridge. Okay. Here we go, we're going to go to the bridge. So just one more time, slowly on the bridge. Once you get out of that chorus, you got a G to the E flat, hungry heart, C minor, F minor, D flat 7th bar chord. Same thing one more time, C minor, F minor, and then it resolves to a G. Okay, and that's the organ solo. That's what that is. So hopefully you got that right. And then it just vamps out on a... So you want to get that E string rhythm. Kind of greasy New Jersey Shore rhythm, right? That's the boss, Bruce Springsteen. That's for Anthony. You're our winner today, and thank you so much for subscribing and for leaving a comment. And I really appreciate anything you guys leave. I'll definitely read it and respond to it. And we'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.